Hi, I want to say a really big thank you to everyone who signed up for my new course. I know that you haven't got all the information, and so I've made this quick video just to answer some of the questions that I've been getting, and also to give you some really, really good reasons why you have to sign up today. So the first question is, how long is the course? Well, it's actually a rolling course, and there's a really good reason for this. I mean, you can sign up for 1 month, you can be part of it for 3 months, 6 months, or as long as you like. And the reason it's a rolling course is because this is this is the only course in web design, web marketing that is designed to keep you at the front edge, at the cutting edge of everything that's going on. So, for example, I'm going to be testing out all the latest platforms and tools and also techniques and methods that you can use. So it's my job to be testing those out for you. And because there's new stuff coming out all the time, for example, the platform that I'm going to be using to run the course, which is Copyblogger's Rainmaker, that has literally only just come out of beta last week, right? So this is how quickly things are moving. We've had lead pages come out literally, in the last few months to the mass market. Rainmaker, Thrive themes. There's so much happening that basically, if you want to keep on top of the market and the tools that you need in order to be efficient and profitable, then this is something that you want to keep up with on a month-to-month basis. You've got limited time. We've all got limited time. So, how are you supposed to keep up with all the new developments and everything that's going on? And never mind just the tools that are coming out. What about the courses? What about the books? There aren't enough hours in the week to keep up with all that stuff. That's why part of what I'm going to do is I will check out the courses. I will read the books. Then I will tell you what you need to know. Let me do that for you. So the other common question is, how do I access the course? Well, right now you can't, because it's literally not built. We're going to be recording this, making this using a just-in-time process. Now, as soon as we launch the course, which will be in about a couple of weeks, and that's when your 6-month access will start, I will give you your login details and show you where to go. It's going to be really, really sweet. So the other question that you might obviously be asking is, what exactly do I get with this course? Well, the main meat of the course is going to be a series of videos, and they're going to be organized by project, because I'm starting in October. I'm starting these real world client projects, and I'm going to walk you through everything that we do, literally step by step. So from the client interviews to the decision-making process, what channels and tactics should we use in the campaign design. You'll get all of that thought process, right, using real projects. Of course, as we've been saying, I'm also going to talk you through the choice of the tools. How do we publish? What's the most effective way to get this to market powerfully, but also rapidly? We've also got a private forum, so you'll get that included with your membership, and that means that you can ask any questions that you've got, and you can get support and guidance from me and from other marketers who are doing the course at the same time. So really, really good reason to be in there at the beginning. And I think one of the most important things about following it through as well is, and I don't know any other course on the market that does this, is because we're looking at this really strategic approach, that I'm actually going to give you the costings and all the timings of these projects. So I'll tell you, this is what I'm quoting for this piece of work, right? So it's completely transparent. You'll get all the information. In a way, I mean, the whole purpose of this is so that you can then go out and do the same thing with your clients. Now comes really the ultimate question. Why this course and why now? Well, the best answer is this is the only course in strategic web design that certainly that I know of. There is nothing else that is saying, okay, the world has changed, web design has changed. It isn't about these low-level skills now. It's about being a high-level marketer. So I'm gonna be teaching you, showing you web design the right way. Because, right, if you want to deliver great websites for happy clients, okay, you want to be that high-level marketer that we've talked about, where you're holding that strategic vision, you're helping the client to develop that, and then you're rolling it out efficiently and profitably. And by doing that, with happy clients, great referrals, working extremely quickly and efficiently, you will then maximize your earnings. There's no question that if you're going to need to be working on this strategic level in order to compete. I mean, it may be a question of just survival, but the designers and the marketers who can do this best are going to be the ones who are growing their businesses, growing their client base, and literally making money going forward. This course is not for you if you are happy doing that low-level web design work. So I mean, hacking HTML and CSS in detail, the mobile responsive development. Now, or JavaScript, jQuery, whatever it may be. I have to say, there's nothing wrong with being a low-level web designer or web developer. There are some sites that need that immaculate hand-crafted work, but they are the minority. Right? If somebody's bringing out a new web application and it has to look just so, and they've got a 6-figure budget, then that may be justified. But what we're talking about is the majority of small and medium-sized businesses out there that need marketing sites, that need e-commerce sites, that want to get to market, generate leads, sell their stuff, make profit. That's our market, right? So if you want to be a strategic marketing web designer and create those great marketing sites for great small business and medium-sized business clients, then this is, I honestly believe, the only course in existence that will show you how to do it. And that's what the market needs right now. Things are changing. You need to be on the boat, right? And I'm going to give you one really, really good reason why you should be in this course today, right? And at the time I'm recording this, we've got 12 hours to sign up. If I'm offering you the 6 full months of access for the price of 3 months. Now, what happens at the end of those 6 months? Well, if you take this early bird option today, right, you pay your $297, which is the 3-month fee. You'll get 6 months, right? You don't have to pay anything for 6 months. Then at the end of the 6 months, I will give you the option of whether you want to stay, subscribe to the course on a rolling monthly basis, locked in at that 50% rate. Okay, so you'll get it for half of $99 a month instead of the full $99 a month. Okay, but that is only available. That option is only open to you if you take this early bird option today, and I'm closing this at midnight tonight. So if you're on the fence, you need to make up your mind. If you've got any questions at all, I will be on my email. I'm doing a podcast later on today, but I will be on my email for the next 12 hours. If you've got any questions, email me back, please, and I will do my best to answer it. There are no more. I cannot discount this any further than I am now. I'm looking for the team who are going to be with me as we start this work, and I just hope that you want to be part of that. Okay. Any questions? Email me back. Otherwise, I will see you in a couple of weeks on the course.